The folks at Brother Drumcarter were kind enough to send me this deluxe blending board kit for use in the book I'm working on with Stackpole Publishing. It will be out in the fall of 2024. So I've got to say that everything in this package was shipped properly and effectively for a lot, so there was no damage. And most of all, I'm really amazed at the quality and attention to detail on every piece of this deluxe blending board kit. Okay, if you have not used the Brother brushes, these plastic brushes you see, you have to. They will completely change your carding experience, and I have used them for years. No kidding. Attaching the keel took seconds, and you'll see here that I'm about to demonstrate how you can either rest the keel just as it is and angle your blending board on a table or surface, or you can turn it around so that you can clamp it in between your knees if you want to use it while seated. It's really finished beautifully and hardy and sturdy, and I cannot wait to use it. They even finished the, sealed and finished the surface of the dowels that you used to roll off. I haven't seen that before.